If you need to view archived contacts in Mailchimp, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them in just a few clicks. Archived contacts can be useful when you want to review old subscribers, check past audience records, or find contact details without restoring anyone back into your active list. This is a simple process, and I'll keep it easy to follow from start to finish. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From there, look at the main navigation menu and click on Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores all of your contact management tools, including active contacts, imported contacts, and archived contacts. After you open Audience, you'll be taken to your contacts area. Now look for the three dots menu. This menu gives you more options related to your audience list, so if you don't see archive contacts right away, this is the place to check. Click on the three dots to open the additional options. Once the menu expands, you should see the Archive Contacts option. Click on Archive Contacts, and Mailchimp will show you the contacts that were previously archived in your audience. This view is helpful when you need to review someone who was removed from the active list but still exists in your account history. You can use this area to search through older contacts, verify information, or simply confirm whether a contact was archived in the first place. If you're managing a growing audience, this can save you time and help you stay organized without manually digging through your full contact list. And that's it. You've now learned how to view archived contacts in Mailchimp. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.